Imagine a world without smartphones or GPS, a world where the concept of instant communication and navigation was a distant dream. That was the world before Albert Einstein, a time when the mysteries of the universe were still waiting to be unraveled and the seeds of modern science were just being planted. Born in Germany in 1879, young Albert wasn't like other children. While others played, he pondered. His mind was a whirlwind of thoughts and questions. He didn't speak much at first, but his mind was always buzzing with questions. Questions about the world, the stars, and everything in between. He looked at the world with wide, curious eyes, eager to unlock its secrets. Every leaf, every star, every shadow held a mystery waiting to be solved. Picture this. Little Albert, just 5 years old, receives a gift that would change his life. A compass. A simple device, yet it held the power to captivate his young mind. This wasn't just any toy, it was a window into the unseen forces that govern our world. The compass needle, always pointing north, sparked a burning curiosity in him. This simple device ignited a spark in his imagination that would never be extinguished. It was the beginning of a lifelong journey into the mysteries of physics and the universe. Albert's journey of discovery began. From that moment on, he was driven by an insatiable desire to understand the world around him. Books, experiments, and endless questions became his companions. Hold a compass in your hand, and you'll see the needle always points north. It's like magic. But Albert knew there had to be a reason. He realized an invisible force was guiding the needle, something we can't see or touch. This invisible force is magnetism, and it fascinated Albert. This fascination with the compass stayed with Albert. It taught him that the world is full of hidden wonders waiting to be discovered. He realized that by asking why and how, we can begin to understand the universe's most complex puzzles. As Albert grew older, he went to school just like you, but he didn't always love it. He found memorizing facts boring, and he often questioned his teachers. Albert preferred to learn by exploring, experimenting, and figuring things out for himself. While other students diligently filled their notebooks, Albert's mind soared. He imagined riding a beam of light, pondered the vastness of space, and dreamt of equations that could explain the universe's mysteries. Little did he know, these daydreams would one day revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. Section 4. Unlocking the Secrets of the Universe, EMC2 and Beyond. Albert Einstein became a scientist and changed the world with his big ideas. His theories revolutionized our understanding of the universe and laid the groundwork for modern physics. One of his most famous discoveries is EMC2. This simple yet profound equation encapsulates the relationship between energy, E, mass, M, and the speed of light, C. Don't let the letters and numbers scare you. It's like a magic spell that tells us energy and mass are connected. When you break it down, it's a beautiful and elegant way to understand the universe. Imagine a tiny grain of sand holding the power of 1,000,000 suns. This illustrates the immense energy contained within even the smallest amount of matter. That's the idea behind EMC2. It tells us that mass can be converted into energy and vice versa, revealing the hidden potential within all matter. This equation explained how stars shine and led to incredible inventions like nuclear energy. It has practical applications that have transformed our world, from powering cities to advancing medical technologies. It showed us that the universe is even more amazing than we ever imagined. EMC2 opened our eyes to the wonders of the cosmos and continues to inspire scientists and dreamers alike. Section 5. Einstein's Legacy. From satellites to smartphones. Einstein's discoveries weren't just for textbooks, they shaped the world we live in today. Thanks to his work, we have GPS satellites that help us navigate, medical scanners that keep us healthy, and even the internet that connects us all. Remember those smartphones we talked about? They wouldn't exist without Einstein's understanding of light and energy. His work laid the foundation for many technologies we take for granted today. Section 6. Beyond the Blackboard, the Man Behind the Mind. When Albert wasn't busy unraveling the mysteries of the universe, he enjoyed playing the violin, sailing, and spending time with his family. He was a kind and gentle soul who believed in peace and using knowledge for good. He also had a playful sense of humor and loved to make people laugh. He once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge," reminding us that it's okay to dream big and never stop asking questions. Section 7. Keep asking why. Einstein's enduring lesson. Albert Einstein's journey began with a simple question: why does the compass needle always point north? This seemingly trivial question sparked a lifetime of inquiry and discovery. As a young boy, Einstein was fascinated by the mysteries of the natural world. His curiosity was insatiable, and he was always eager to understand how things worked. This curiosity led him to unlock some of the universe's biggest secrets. From the theory of relativity to the photoelectric effect, Einstein's work revolutionized our understanding of physics. His relentless pursuit of knowledge and his ability to think outside the box set him apart from his contemporaries. He showed us that anyone, even a curious child, can achieve amazing things by asking questions and never giving up on their dreams. Einstein's story is a testament to the power of curiosity and perseverance. It reminds us that the greatest discoveries often start with the simplest questions. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember Albert Einstein and his message: never stop being curious, never stop exploring, and never stop asking why. Whether you're a child with a compass or an adult with a telescope, the spirit of inquiry can lead you to incredible places. The universe is vast and full of wonders, and there's always something new to discover. The universe is vast and full of incredible things waiting for you to discover. So keep your eyes open, your mind curious, and your heart full of wonder. The journey of discovery is endless, and the lessons of Einstein remind us that the pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong adventure.